visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So believe in that divine timing. Whenever you hear the message, no, the message is also meant to find you. Let's begin. So, given the fact na meron ng separation, meron ng challenges, separation can be physical or energetic, no? Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, like in literal form, you are in separation. Energetic separation is pwede nagkikita kayo pero may gap kasi hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi na kayo nagpapansinan with the judgment. So I feel like, is this a mutual thing that both of you just decided at one point in time na okay, this is it. Kung ayaw mo akong pansinin, hindi na rin kita papansinin. You know, how can this happen when things seem so good becomes, nandun na papunta na to dun sa malapit na either malapit na kayo, malapit na maging seryoso yung relationship, then all of a sudden, you go back to square one and becomes a stranger again, no? Medyo masakit yung ganong situation. Now, kasi parang ang nakikita natin dito, sino ba ang nagpaasa? Ikaw ba ang nagpaasa? Si person ba ang nagpaasa? Meron bang third party? With the Seven of Swords, speaking of, someone is faking. So someone probably discovered, ito pala yung ginagawa mo, no? Either ito pala yung ginagawa mo sa akin, ito pala ginagawa mo sa relationship, ito pala yung ginagawa mo while I am not observing, no? Someone here feels like I am betrayed. So, yung ang laki na ng trust issue. Yung sa isang pagkakamali, dumating yung part na meron agad na, anong tawag dito? Meron agad na assumption na you betrayed me. Ito ba ay pagiging praning dahil someone betrayed you from the past and you just feel like nung napansin mong merong indications na somewhat similar, tumaas agad yung wall and then suddenly someone here backed out from, the equation and someone kind of like, ano nangyari? Magkausap lang kami and then parang merong assumptions and then biglang nawala. I think that communication, there's actually a lack of communication in here with the Three of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. So parang, tama yung sinabi ko kanina. Parang yung assumption na, sandali, wala naman akong ginagawa. Bigla na lang nawala yung communication, so bakit ako magre-reach out? So, does the, anong tawag natin dyan? Yung ego ba ang nag-kick in? Eh di kung ayaw mo ko kausap, eh di wag. No? With the Seven of Pentacles. So, sayang naman, medyo ang tagal nung journey. tapos nauwi sa dead end. So, alam mo yung nandun kayo sa isang alam mo yung nag-aano kayo, meron kayong plan to go somewhere, 'no? And it is your first time to go to that place. Like, you're totally clueless of what's going to happen, probably of how to drive, the route to be there. And during the journey, while on traveling on that place, medyo, nagpi-picture pa, masaya pa, nagkukuwentuhan pa with those good things, 'no, plans, what have you. And then all of a sudden, it came to the dead end and all of those were kind of, "Halika bumalik na lang tayo, nasira na yung journey ko, nasira na all the plans and I just wanna go home." So, yung nasa peak na sana yung relationship just because of that dead end, just because of that specific thing, everything went down and went back to zero, 'no? So, sayang yung journey, sayang yung time actually. Um, when it comes to time, both kind of like lose. Why? Kasi hindi lang naman isa ang nag-invest ng time. No, I think that both of you invested time in here. There's no one to point fingers who's who because parehas talo. Ang mas natalo lang dito yung feeling niya na nag-invest ako ng emotion. Kasi kung time pag-uusapan natin parehas talo, 'di ba? Yun lang. Ang mas talo dito yung emotion, yung nag-invest ng emotion with the Three of Wands. So somewhat your heart, probably your soul is crossing fingers, no? Hopefully maayos pa 'to. Actually, yun din yung iniisip ko. I just don't want to throw everything under the bus and with the Five of Cups, nanghihinayang ako. Actually, there's a lot of regret that might going to happen in here. Regret, why? Regret because of the assumption, regret because hindi pinagpatuloy, regret because someone don't want to listen to someone. The Queen of Swords, pinairal yung galit and yung tigas ng ulo. I feel like the regret in here is more of yung katigasan ng ulo. The regret in here mas inuna yung emotion than becoming logical. The regret in here is because of the heightened energy, the assumptions, and the lack of communication. Katulad nga ng sabi ko, because, you know, there's actually two sides of the story, no? Um, if you can give me time, no? Gusto ko lang ibahagi ito, yung yung picture para kasing this is going to be related. Hold up, no? Um, give me a couple of sec, ha? Parang nakita ko 'to, eh. Kasi parang iba yung na-portray, iba yung naisip natin, iba yung totoong story, 'no? Um, parang don't believe in everything, dali, don't believe in everything that you see. Sana pala na-save ko yun, 'no? Alam mo yun, yung hindi ko na siya makita pero the shadow was the shadow was parang the shadow, 'no, looks like sasaksakin niya yung bata. But in reality, parang without kasi nag-assume dun sa shadow. Pero with the reality meron siyang gustong ibigay, actually yung merong hawak ng panaksak yung bata 'no. So, yung parang yung kay Prince Charles, 'di ba? Yung naka-one side siya, ang nakuha is yung nakuhang rehistro is parang naka-dirty finger siya, naka-pacquiao siya, ganyan. Yun pala merong ibang angle na parang I forgot, gumanon yata siya, pero ang parang ang nakuha is parang parang nakaganyan yata 'no. Ang nakuha parang naka-fuck you sa side na ito. So, everyone assumed like, meron siyang ginawang kakaiba, something like that. Pero kasi ang bottom line dito is merong bagay na dapat, pinag-uusapan muna. Merong mga bagay na dapat, malawak tayo rather than assumption. Lalo na kung hindi natin nakita firsthand, I think we need to get the bottom of this kasi sayang. Sayang yung relationship. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, papunta na kayo doon just because of the assumption biglang nawala. I think it's time to have a communication. But then again, this is just um a guide, no? If you truly decide to really let this go, by all means, no? That's your life. Let's check the person's zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, kung meron po kayong questions, let me know. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aquarius, Taurus, Libra, Gemini. Libra is dominant. Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. This is your reading. Maraming maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.